right, I'm going at an angle so I don't clip any eyebrows and I can see my blade. See, stop right there. Forward. Stop right there. Forward. Stop right there. And I know what you're saying. Why is this at an angle? Because you're not getting all the hairs. This is just so I can see. So when I clean up, I go right on top of it and then I know where to stop. Because that's where the gel is. Right to the sides. Now see on the side of the face, I don't need to angle the blade because now I can see in front of it. And this is just all so you can see, you don't clip any baby hairs, any type of edges. People love their edges. Don't mess it up. Mother's Day is right around the corner and you mess up somebody's edges on Mother's Day, you can get the mother of ass whoopings and then some. So just clean up a little bit. Yep, so see right here. Just a little straggler hairs. These are the little struggle hairs. Not, she don't have struggle hair. I'm talking about when somebody has struggle bangs and everything. Yeah, so her hair is not. These are just little stragglers. They don't need to be there. We're gonna clean them up. Cause see, her hair grows right and touches her eyebrow. Normally you need a little bit of space. So she has good hair growth. Her hair is gonna grow forever. Well, I know some people, they gotta go on AliExpress or Alibaba. DHgate, all the places just to get that hair, that yaki, that Indian, I don't know what they call that, but the Hawaiian silky. All right, so we're gonna get a zoomed in look. So all I'm gonna do is press right that one, and this time you can see we get even closer to the hairs, and you'll see what comes off the face. So all we're doing is clipping. We're following the hairline. Her hairline is here. So I'm gonna turn the blade upside down. Well, actually, to be on the safe side, let's turn the handle this way. This is the hair line. And to really get an accurate representation of it, is to see how this actually smoothed out those hairs. Right, that's a line. So the hairs is really all on the face. So you don't know where to really go.
I have to sneeze.
It's okay, go ahead, go for it.
Okay, I'm okay.
Cool. So you take a little bit of gel, and all you're doing is pasting like you're doing baby hairs. You know, you're trying to see where all the hairs are and where they go. So see how they're sporadic, but normally I want to make like a little line. So just make a line, follow that line, and that's your hairline. So when you take your blade, you just clean up what's outside the line. Sorry, Sophia. What's that bump I went over? And don't worry about getting a precise cut, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch positions. So from here, all I'm worried about is getting the hair on the cheek area and the chin area. So we're going down. To scoop it off, I flip the blade over, then scoop, wipe the hair off. Now see how it's a line? You can actually come to the side and then get the other hairs once you're done to make it cleaner and crisper. And she didn't get cut from the blade. This is just a bump, a zit that we popped earlier. See, that's just the blood oozing back out. See right here, we push in. Right, so that's acne. That's not, we didn't cut her, that's just a bump we went over and it's still oozing out, that's all. And what I'm doing is I'm picking up the hair or the skin and I'm pulling back. She doesn't really need me to pull back and retract those hairs out as much because she has youthful skin. Her skin is gorgeous. It's flawless. And I know what you're thinking, damn, my skin isn't flawless and gorgeous because I have hairs too. I'm saying gorgeous and flawless because you don't have a million bumps. You don't have any fine lines or wrinkles, uneven skin tone, or sagging skin, jawling, double chin, triple chin, all that good stuff. You know, you don't have the Simon Cowell triple chin. You're doing great. So that's what I mean when you have good skin. You can go out for recess and play, you know, football and all that good stuff. Some kids can't because of the sun and oxygen levels because our air quality is horrible. We're like China. Chemical plants everywhere. Carbon emission footprint is horrible. But anyway, we're doing okay. And so see the eye, all I'm going to do is grab here above where the acne is, pull down. I'm watching her eyebrows, eyelashes, because you don't want to be on top, somehow make a mistake, go up here, forget where you are. So hold down the skin and go slow. Now see how the corner and she folds in, just hold, pull out, and then you get those hairs poke out. And it feels uncomfortable because it's the side of the mouth. But it's okay. You go gentle, and then you go with the grain. I like going against first, then going with. And she doesn't have pretty much hair of anything on her lips, so we're gonna keep moving. Side corner mouse again, we just pull out, and then you have a smoother area that you can work with. And that's it. Now there's gonna be small, tiny vellus hairs that you can't get off every little single hair, but that's okay. We got pretty much the bulk of the hair off, and then we're gonna clean up the chin area. So skin back. And hold. What happened?
Tender.
Hmm?
Tender.
Oh, gotcha. Now you can come up if you want to. Just be careful. When you're coming up, you can hold the skin. I hold the skin down here to expose, and then come up. Because like she said, it's tender, it's very sensitive. So be careful. Take your time. And now the hairs look like they're everywhere. It's only because we have gel, and the gel is making the hairs coagulate and come together. It's gonna be all right. And it feels a little irritating because I'm going in against the grain. All right, and we made it. We're not trying to get everything because our skin is already smooth. It's gorgeous. We're doing good, okay? And that is it. Underneath the chin a little bit more. Sorry. Perfect.